2 against 3 as Ceballos will serve. Here's Tolenada. Jorel Singh blasting away. Here's the set by Anguer. Tolenada recycles. That is rejected but kept in play by Rivera. Back row attack. Arado takes care of business there. Here comes the attack. Davison gets it before the line.
Davison ready. Just going above the block of Tolenada there.
Ceballos will continue to serve. Fiola's serve. Look short. Tolenada sends it into the sky. Cat Arado prepares this attack by Davison.
Early on here in set number 1.
And she's so versatile. She can be, as you mentioned, in the back, on the left, on the right. 4. And here comes Cruz and her serve. Ceballos fires a bullet and gets it before the line. Makes it 13-10.
First attack point. Challenging the block of Niegos with that cross-court attempt.
Alcantara serve. Orendain. Cruz ends up tossing. And the open space filled up again by Davison.
It's all cross-court. It's all cross-court.
In PLDT actually. Tama ka eh. Alam mo, masyadong spread out at ang baba ng production ng lahat ng tao sa Capital One. Oh! Oh, and Santos now beginning to feel the 10-6 count here in the second. One of the starters. Davison, tough pass, becomes a toss. Gino uncorking. Oh, that's on the line. Set up. Block. But it's out.
Ceballos is also 3 for 3 here in the third. Okay.
Thanks, 7 Doc AJ. I am with our best player of the game. 14 excellent digs and 7 excellent receptions. Congratulations, Kath Arado. Kath, I know this is your 3rd straight win, pero saan pa kayo nagkulang? What would it take for PLDT to have a perfect game?
Siguro, unang-una yung reception namin. Kasi nga, yung mga next games namin talagang malalakas na yung service nila eh. So kailangan namin yun mas maging consistent pa siguro sa reception. Kasi madali na lang ang buhay pagka may magandang receive kami.
At buti naman na merong Kath Arado ang isang PLDT. But speaking of your next opponents, you guys will be facing Cherry Tigo on December 3. What is on the practice plan for the high-speed hitters?
Siguro papanoorin muna namin yung game nila ngayon, next game. And sila coach naman, talagang naka-ano naman sila sa amin eh. Naka-focus naman sila sa amin kung anong gagawin namin. Siguro mas more on consistency pa yung gagawin namin, lalo na sa training.
Kanina sa dugout na pag-usapan namin ni Coach Rald, yung maturity and efficiency. Sa palagay mo ba, nakita mo yung maturity and efficiency ng teammates mo na yun?
Opo naman, kasi syempre sa training naman namin, lagi naman din namin tinitraining yun, yung mga pagkukulang namin individually and as a team. Siguro kailangan pa, yun nga, kulang pa eh. Kailangan pa talaga namin maging consistent para makasabay kami dun sa mga top teams.
And it's a good thing that we do have a long conference ahead of us. Kath, now is your chance to greet the supporters and fans of the PLDT High-Speed Hitters.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa mga taong laging sumusuporta sa amin, sa families namin, and sa management na walang sawang suporta. At saka, happy birthday, Coach Nolls! Happy birthday po, and thank you po.
Thank you so much, Kath. Congratulations once again. Seb and Doc AJ, let's close this out.